Hi everyone, once again welcome back to the channel. The AWS Community Builder application is now open and live. You can apply it by the official Community Builder web page. So in today morning I got a email notification about the applying of the AWS Community Builder application. So this is one of the application, and the last date it mentioned on January 21st is going to, this is the last date for application for applying for the AWS Community Builder. So we have left only 14 days. So go and apply as much as possible, as fast, right? So this is the official link of applying of the AWS Community Builder. So make sure you log it on to the your mail ID where you like to log applying. And here the year application cycle for the AWS Community Builder program is now open. Apply to join by midnight PST on January 21st, 2026. So apply it early. Click on the apply now. So I did not apply any and did not submit my application. And here click on the login. So this link I will provide it my YouTube description box below. You can use it. And here it will show the ID which email is going to you're applying it. So may you read it properly, all the related information what they're given in the application form. And if you give it in genuine way, don't fill out in a random. See, I am selecting the I meet the requirement to apply this program. Click on the next. And I am not previously applied any or ambassador of this all those programs, so I'm not selecting. I'm selecting the last option. I am not current part of those program. Click on the next. There is a 16 questions. You have to fill out all. So are you a Amazon employee? No. Are you an analyst or accredited member of the press? No. Are you currently a student? No. Fill it properly, don't speed up, and don't fill up randomly, right? And employer name, if you don't work for the company, put in a job title, give your title, whether you are cloud engineer or DevOps engineer or Kubernetes engineer, give it the title, job title properly. Have you applied to join this program before? No, this is the first time I am applying. In which country or territory do you currently reside? India. Click on the next. And the following questions are optional. These questions are optional. It given up here. You can fill out or otherwise leave it as a blank. I'm going with the next. And here in my case I am selecting the dev tools. You select which category will come. So in my category I am as a DevOps engineer and writing up the CI/CD pipelines in the AWS code pipeline as well as the Jenkins pipelines. So I am selecting this category. This category focus on those interested CI/CD, CDK, build pipelines and IDEs, as well as broadly helping developers to build application across all platforms. You are interested in AWS tools like code pipeline, code commit and application composer, and you are also actively developing web and mobile application using the service such as API gateway, Amplify and AppSync. So if you selected the cloud, means you can select the serverless or networking if you are working with the network like CloudFront or Route 53, WAF or VPC. So you can select up this one if you are using a cloud engineer. So I am selected a dev tool and click on the next. And here there is some activity. They are asking how much you are contributing to the open source and how actively you are responding to the client, learners. So authorizing the blocks, monthly speaking, public, in person or remote, quarterly hosting, never, answering AWS weekly once, and contributing open source project weekly once, sharing AWS or cloud computing uses weekly once. Yeah, make sure you fill all the related radio buttons and click on the next. Now, so the integrity of content, creative community implement. Yeah, this is asking the content, and are you delivering the video content or articles should be your own, not is generated by the AI. So I created my videos almost in my own voice, and it is available in YouTube channel. So I'm selecting the OS on the next. So here the things, we have to give the proof about how we are going to contributing to build AWS Community Builder. So I have two proof. So it should be in the previous 2 months ago, not the right now. If you are doing in the projects right now or previous 2 months, it will not going to consider. You have to continuously you have to publish the articles and do the videos. So 4 months or 6 months ago I did the project.
If you're an executive who wants to commit.
So September 7th. So I'm pasting up this contribution 1, and the language, the content, it is in English, and the second one I'm going to giving up. So I can give this one also, but I'm giving this one. Copy link, and the content language, it is in the English. Would like to provide an example of the something you built AWS services. Yeah. So this is a short answer I given up here. And you have to give a detailed description and which project and what you are going to telling, and how you are implementing the services in your project. You have to mention it over here. This is the sample one, this is not an exact one, this is the sample I just given, the LinkedIn profile and the project of my blogs, as well as YouTube channel link for the reference. And you can give it up here, GitHub link. Yeah, this is my link. I'm giving over here. You can give it, you can specify it, and once you click on the next. So the alias, so it is optional. It is optional. If you know about the alias, what your alias you know means, here there is an option. Click here, it redirects to the AWS Community Builder, and we manage profile. Yeah, this is the alias. Just copy it and paste it over here. Click on the next. Yeah, the YouTube channel, channel link, and LinkedIn profile. You just paste it. The GitHub is same as this one. On the blog, I'm giving this link as a blog. And the Twitter, if you have posting regularly, the Twitter URL profile link, and the personal website blog link. Yeah, once you filled all the required URLs, click on the next. did any AWS employee, AWS hero or AWS community reference you? If anyone is referencing you, just give a name up here. And I'm not no one I don't know about the AWS Community Builder right now, so I'm giving it as a blank. Click on the next. See, the next question must be agreed in order to participate in this program. By submitting your application to this volunteer program, you are agreed to at least 18-year-old and you are accepted into the program. AWS can use your name and image program marketing and you comply with the AWS code of conduct. So I'm going with the agree and next. So this is the final step. Once you submitted the application, you can't able to retrieve it back or you can't able to edit it up any form. I am already submitted the application, so I am not required to submit once again this application. So I will show it up the exact one. Just cross check it which you did not give proper answers. Just cross check it before applying the submit application. So I will show it up in a moment. Once you submit the application, you will get a notification like this. Thank you for your application. There is no email sent confirmation your application. This message is your confirmation of a successful application submission. So you will not get any email notification by applying this application. So this is the just a submission, and you will hear back with an answer via email by early March after we evaluated all applications. So it takes approximately 2.5 months or 2 months is going to take. On the middle of March you will get the status whether you are accepted or rejected by the AWS Community Builder. So this is my first application of applying the AWS Community Builder. I don't know what will happen, so I'm waiting up. So if you like this video, like and subscribe the channel and share this video across your friend circles. Thanks for watching the video.